Hi guys. You know, yesterday I said I was gonna make a video in the little short, and yeah, it's time to make the video. And if you have not watched part 1 and 2 of how to make a awesome Civ game, then you should probably go watch that part 1 and 2, so you know you're not behind. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoy, and that we can both learn how to make a Civ game, because it's gonna be as difficult as for me as it is to you. Yeah, yeah. Let's just get to the video, bro. Okay, now we're in here in the big studio. What we're gonna do is go home, add a new part. Okay, scale it any size you like. This is like the borders for the whole thing. So like the trees will spawn inside of this area. Okay. And name the part like, let's say, tree spawner. We're gonna make this be able to spawn anything. So like, let's say if you want to make a rock spawner, you can just like change this to rock spawner, or like make it spawn rocks. It's gonna be a pretty simple and like easy to configure. Yeah. All right, let me not talk anymore. Let's do this. Okay. Go here, add a script. Should we add a script? I feel like we should not do that. Okay, add a attribute. Number attribute. I know you guys can't see my thing, like where it says add attribute. And name it amount. Make an attribute, a number attribute called amount. We're setting this to 10. Okay. Add a new tag and call it spawner. As soon as you do that, we're gonna be ready to start the code. Anchor the part, by the way, and maybe change the transparency and color, and also can collide off and can touch off, and all this off. Okay, this is our tree spawner. My tree spawner. Okay. We now code. Oh, okay. We're gonna need one script for this, which is gonna be here we're gonna put the. Should I add another attribute? Is there an instance attribute? No, there isn't. Okay, string attribute, and name it like what structure? Name it, yeah, what structure? Name it structure. And I'm gonna put this as tree. Go and replicate storage, and in structures put down the tree that you have in there and leave it there. Okay. And these trees we can delete. So right here is gonna stay with nothing. Okay. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna name this spawner. No, structure spawner. There we go. Okay, now we're gonna do we're gonna go to workspace, folder, spawners, and I'm gonna organize mine. I'm gonna put tree spawners for now. Yeah, I'm gonna leave it tree spawners and put my tree spawner in there, so it's more organized. Yeah, it doesn't have to do anything with the script. The script's not gonna break. Alright, local connection service. Go in the structured spawner and put local connection service equals game get service collection service local replicated storage blah 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 equals oh my god, local replicated storage equals game get service replicated storage. Boom. Local spawner tag equals spawner local spawn cooldown equals 10. Local max structures per spawn equals 5. These can be any numbers, by the way. Local function spawn structure model. Spawner part structure clone. No, it's gonna be spawner dot parent is gonna be the spawner. Okay. Local structure underscore y equals this right here. But remove that. Here. Do that. And put parentheses. So yeah. Let me fix this up real quick for you guys. There we go. Copy that down real quick. We're gonna do yeah, I think this will work. Pivot to. Yeah, I think this will work. Copy this down real quick, guys. Okay. Local function connect spawners. Okay, wait. Go up here, and do local spawners equals workspace dot spawners. Okay. Get descendants. Do if collection service. Boom. Oh my god. Okay. Local structure equals. I'll explain in a second. Let me code this down real quick. Spawner. Get attribute. Structure. Actually, no. This is wrong. It's gonna error. Replicated storage dot structures. Find for child. Boom. Alright, so let me explain this whole script for you guys real quick. What this does, all of this does, is like spawn the structure itself. And here's like the positioning. And this is like where it puts the position. These are just like the variables. So this is like the X, this is the Z, and this is the Y. All of these right here you can change. These you can change, these you don't change. These two functions. But what these do, this one does, is connect the spawners. So like, let's say, crap. So yeah, we got the spawners here, right? We got the spawners. It's gonna grab all the spawners in here, basically. That like every part that has the tag spawner, and it's gonna look for the structure, and then it like it's gonna wait for the cooldown. My bad. I'm just like, I'm going crazy. I know how to this works. I just don't know how to explain it well. It connects the spawner so it can spawn the stuff. That's basically what it does. So wait, we're gonna control X here so it doesn't so we keep it saved. If spawner get children, boom, boom, easy. So it's gonna check if we're over the limit or not. Add it equals right here, so it's exactly 10, and not 11. Okay. I think we need to add, yeah. Okay, yeah. This is the same. Just copy all of this right here Let me delete this so it's easier on you guys. And do spawners dot descendant added connect function. Spawner. Boom. And do that. And just copy it all. This is pretty easy. And then all you want to do right here is just say connect spawners. We're gonna set this to 0.1, and I'm gonna test. Wait a minute. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Ooh. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. But I did 5. Okay, so I think what? I forgot to put .y. Okay. I think it's gonna place it right on top. No, it's the same bug. Low key though. Yeah, this is good. I'm not even joking. Now what I really want to do is structure dot c pivot to structure get pivot times boom. That rotates it randomly. Rotation. We love rotation, randomization, and stuff. Okay, so what you want to do here is place just the spawner like your little map or something, whatever you want to do, and bring it like down so it's in the ground. Okay. So I'm guessing this is 1 step above the ground. Okay, yeah, wait, that's actually neat, because the last one that I made for my other game wasn't like that. I like this. Yeah, you can just hide it now. Yeah, that's pretty neat. I like that. We're keeping that. But yeah, kaboom! Look at that. You got the. Oh my god. What now? What now? Okay, maybe one more down. Oh, because I didn't put it all the way down. Yeah, kaboom. It's right there, and it's hiding. And you can make it like every... Ooh. Remove max structure per spawn. Actually, no, don't remove max structure per spawn. And we need a start amount too. If spawner if hashtag spawner get children equals 0, then we're gonna do for I equals spawner get attribute amount 1 -1, and then what we're gonna do is do a task.wait over here, and I'm gonna copy this and put it right there. Copy all of this and replace the inside of spawners.descendant added like that. Boom! Kaboom! yeah, this is it, guys.
So if you guys enjoyed the video, please, subscribe and stuff. And I'll see you guys tomorrow, maybe, for another banger video. I still don't know what's gonna be tomorrow, so yeah, stay tuned. Probably post it, like what's gonna be about, like I did yesterday. So yeah, stay tuned and subscribe. Thank you for watching.